Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually earn free Toncoin just as you are seeing here, and have it directly deposited to your Tonkeeper account or any of your wallets that actually receive Ton, and how you can also sell that Ton to USDT, and also through P2P you can also convert to whatever currency of your choice and withdraw to your local bank account. Now this airdrop in question happens to give out they give out free Toncoin. And not just that they give out free Toncoin, they also they're an airdrop that are also preparing for listing, and this airdrop is going to actually be a big one. So quickly now, let me just head straight to my Telegram channel so I can show you how you can do this yourself and start earning. So quickly now, let's just dive straight into Telegram immediately. Now if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, please ensure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Now we have arrived Telegram successfully. Now this is the airdrop itself. Now this is what the name of this airdrop is called Capybara Meme. This is not Capybara Nation, I say again, Capybara Meme. Now if you are clicking the link for the first time, let me just start from here. If you have not yet joined this airdrop and you are clicking the link from my description box, because I'll be posting the link for how you can start farming this how you can get this free Toncoin through this airdrop on the description box. So once you just come here, this is how your interface will be, and you see the button for you to start. So once it starts, it's going to load and bring you what to this option. Now you can see these are just the balances of the airdrop itself. So now let me just take you straight to how you can earn Toncoin. Now you are going to just see this. Now you can see again, like I said, you see they say 1000 Toncoin spin and earn daily. They are also partners with what BitGet. Now if you go here, you can see their approval. They are partnered with what BitGet wallet, and we know BitGet wallet, they are an approved wallet, and also they have an exchange which is what reliable and are well known. So if you come here, you are going to see different icon and interface. We have the home button, dollar, star, people, then this is a leaderboard and wallet. So I'm going to be explaining all of them individually. So but let me just take you first to the juicy part, how you can earn Toncoin. And the first thing you need to do when you come to this interface, you are going to just tap what daily spin. Now ensure you watch this video to the end so you know how to do it successfully. And at the end of this video, there is going to be a video that is going to pop up on the main on the middle of my phone screen, which is going to be one of the major airdrops that is going to be payable in this year 2024, and they are listing in just few months from now. So you need to better start farming it on time so you don't miss out. So it's going to be appearing at the end of this video. So now let's focus on what Toncoin now. So first of all, once you come here, for those of you that might have forgotten what I just did, now what I just did now, I just went to the spin option. So once you tap on spin, this is what you are going to see. It's going to be made available. So you tap on this open pack. So once you are doing this, you are going to be getting what free Toncoin. You can see I just earned few Toncoin. So this is how I'll be doing it. As I'll be doing it, this is actually withdrawal because I myself have withdrawn. So I'm just showing that you'll be earning this Toncoin through spinning, and after you spin, you can see some people are actually withdrawing, and I myself too have withdrawn. So as you are spinning this way, you also ensure you link this boat to your BitGet wallet or any of your Ton accounts, that any of your any accounts that actually approves for Ton, you understand. So you just keep on tapping on this spin. So how you need to do to claim this airdrop is that you spin and you earn. Then at the long run, you'll be needing diamonds. At the long run, you'll be needing diamonds, and with these diamonds, you'll be able to claim the Toncoin. Now you can see I currently have just 0.2 Ton, but I will be needing 10 diamonds to withdraw. So if I tap on this spin, they are going to give me a few diamonds. Okay, now they just give me a few cards for me to continue spinning. So let me just not bore you guys with the spinning, so we don't waste much time on this video. So once you are spinning this way, you'll be earning the diamonds to unlock the card. You can see now I just earned some diamonds. So once the diamond just gets to 0, you will just tap on withdrawal. So if you want to withdraw, how you are going to withdraw is, first of all, you go to you have to what, link it to your what, link this both to BitGet wallet account. If you are not linking to BitGet wallet account, you can link it to Tonkeeper account. If you don't know how to create a Tonkeeper account, just watch check my playlist or just scroll down my video log. You see I created a video on how to create a Tonkeeper account, or check my playlist and check the one I titled a beginner's guide for crypto. You see I made a video on how to create a Tonkeeper account. So once you come here, just go to this icon on my bottom right. You just see this and you see where they tell you to connect to wallets. Now you see what they tell you, they say connect Ton wallet. For me, I've already connected to a wallet already, so I won't be doing this. So I will just, so what you just need to do is to just tap on connect. So once you tap on connect, it will lead you, it's okay. Let me just tap on connect. So you see, so if I tap on connect, you see available wallet options. There is BitGet, there is OKX, there is Ton wallet. So you choose the wallets that you want to receive this Ton to. So for me, I used BitGet wallet. So because I did this, I currently have disconnected, so I'm going to connect it later. So what you just need to do is to tap on BitGet wallet and it will load to what or any of your Ton wallets, and it will load to the app. Then you just wait for just few seconds and it will approve. Then you come back here. So that's how you'll be using to what claim it. Then the next juicy part is what, how you can what, make effective use of this airdrop itself. Now this airdrop, they are 100% what, payable. They are what, 100% payable. I'm going to be making a different video for this airdrop so I don't consume much of your time here. So I just made this video for you to know how you can earn Toncoin. So just make sure you check the video that is going to pop up on the screen of this video. It's the next it's how you can what, farm this coin and actually earn. You can see it's actually payable, and they are partners with what, BitGet. So guys, make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. If you have any question to ask, make sure you ask in the comment section and drop me a thank you in the comment section and let me know where you are watching from. So I told you guys I'm going to show you how I've withdrawn so far. So let me just quickly go there. So this is it. If I just go here and check my balance, these are some of the withdrawals I've made, and there are more that are still coming. So if I tap on balance here, it's going to load up. So you can see it, you see withdrawal, you see everything is here. What here, they are what, successful payments, what I've received, all these payments. These are all my earnings, and I've earned and I've received, and they have paid me. So they are still going to be paying more and I will be doing more. So guys, this is it for you guys. So make sure you follow these steps that I show you. If you have any question, make sure you ask me. I'll be making a separate video here on how to what, farm this airdrop properly. So guys, thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe.